Trick or treat. Definitely treat though. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I have the simplest way to get a taste of fall. No boots, scarves, or sweaters required. Learn why I'm obsessed with this pumpkin spice chia seed pudding. Starting with a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of Hy-Vee unsweetened vanilla almond milk, a half cup of Full Circle Market canned pure pumpkin, 1/3 cup of Full Circle Market organic chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of 100% maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once that's mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Pumpkins are loaded with beta-carotene, which has been shown to help fight cancer, heart disease, and aging. They're also a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. Once it's cool and settled, divide the mixture between 2 10-ounce serving glasses or bowls, and top each with a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee vanilla Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, one of the most satiating macronutrients to help you feel full. This can help you stay focused and fight cravings for less healthy food, like Halloween candy. I also like to garnish my glasses with granola and fresh berries for added color and health benefits. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And be sure to protect yourself from getting the flu this year by getting your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy. There's no appointment necessary, and you'll earn a 20-cent fuel saver.